So much dog hair. Good heavens. Well, hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to Legacy Studio and Draw Too Much. A quick follow-up on my fountain pen that I reviewed just recently called the Noodler's AHAB. You know what? I see so many amazing reviews on the Noodler's AHAB. So many people absolutely love it. I thought it was a great pen, gave my review of it. But I gotta tell you the rest of the story here. This thing still stinks. Not a good time for texts to be coming in, but this thing absolutely stinks. Absolutely stinks. Smells terrible. And I did everything I could. I left it out for a few days to air out. I even tried to wipe it down with Lysol wipes. I tried to, and I mean wipe it down as in rolling the Lysol wipes up into a little ball and sticking them all the way in through all the crevices. Whatever this smell is, it has permeated into the plastic of the pen, much like a cigarette smell would permeate into the couch in your living room or in the walls of your house. That's how bad this is. So I thought, okay, I really don't care. I'm going to try and do the extreme. So I grabbed all my acrylic paint and I tried painting the pen in acrylic paint and coating it with a clear over top. It's super sticky and I absolutely have damaged it. But the worst part is I smell it. The smell of the pen has permeated through the acrylic paint and is now on the outside of the pen. Okay, I even painted the little bit there on the front, and that smell has just permeated everywhere. This pen is absolutely shot. The one thing, and I was thinking about returning the pen, but it was right over the holidays, so I decided to skip. But I paid $26 for this. $26 for this, and what will I do? I will take off the flex nib and I will throw the rest of the pen away because I can't even use it in this condition that I tried to do to fix it. And then on the second side of it, the smell just will not go away no matter what I do. Even when I cover the smell completely, it permeates through the paint. Acrylic has its own smell, and it has gone through the paint, and yeah. Here's the thing. I've looked at gouletpens.com, and I love their selection. I have 2 pens coming in from them. I think they're both like Mount Verde pens or something like that. I'm excited to get those in and review those. And I see that they have a million choices of Noodler's pens. Now, I bought mine off of Amazon, okay? I didn't buy mine off of Goulet Pens. But I gotta admit, I'm scared of Noodlers. I'm scared of Noodlers. And I think it's going to take Noodlers coming to me and being like, let us prove that this is only that pen to really make me want to buy anything else. And I know so many people love the Noodler's black ink. I personally use carbon ink myself, premium carbon. And I love my premium carbon, but I hear so many people say that they appreciate the Noodler's black. And I'm like, well, I'd love to try it, but I gotta admit, this turns me off from anything Noodlers completely. So I don't know. Put your comments down below. Noodlers, if you happen to see this, I'd love to talk with you and see if we can have a better understanding on what's going on here, why on earth this smell is so intense, and why it's making me throw away a $26 pen. I've seen comments saying that it's from India and whatever warehouse that makes this and creates it, the smell stays with it, and it's supposed to air out after a couple of days. It just does not air out at all. It really doesn't. Not for me anyway. Not in Montana, much higher than most of the other states in the U.S., but I'm just saying this thing has not done anything to air itself out at all. So it's just my 10 cents. I hate to put down Noodlers. I see so much Noodler stuff that I'd love to try. I'm just scared to spend $20, $30 and then it just have that permeated smell. So maybe that's just one development factory. Maybe that's just one type of pen. Maybe that's one kind of acrylic. I don't know if this is plastic or acrylics or what it's, but it feels like plastic. It feels like plastic. So anyway, would love to hear your thoughts. Leave them in the comments below. I'm not trying to put down Noodlers. I'm just saying I need more understanding of this pen because there are so many good reviews, and yet it must be people just being okay with the smell. Some of us just can't stand the smell. I worked at Disney for 10 years, okay? I worked with Sharpies and every kind of toxic marker known to man, and I worked with them this close to my nose as I'm drawing all day long. Okay, I've gotten high off of those markers by accident working, drawing caricatures all day long. Okay, I had people sitting next to me getting drawn, saying that the smell of the markers was too intense for them, and I'm right here drawing, going, "Oh, you'll get used to it." Okay, the smell of this Noodler's AHAB is not. I'm not getting used to it. I'm not getting used to it. So that's just where I'm at. Okay, so there you go. There's my 10 cents. I hope that helps someone out, and I hate to be the bringer of bad news on that, but
it done stank, and it done stank bad. I'm just making my claim.
All right, I love you guys. Keep it crispy. First Tim 412. I'll see you on the next video here on Draw Too Much. Never know what I'm coming up with, but these days I'm really enjoying the fountain pen world. I got to show you some of my sketches because I've been doing some weird stuff in the background that I think you might find intriguing. So we'll talk about that in the future. I love you guys. Bye.